Now division. All right, so we got our fractions. A divided by B, right? Our fraction A over B, fraction division. Here we go. So we have a fraction that's divided by a fraction. So the way that we're going to think of this is A over B divided by C over D. So I'm going to write this out. I'm going to say A over B, there's my divisor sign, over C over D. Now, at this point, what we're going to do to work on our fractions, we're going to use our reciprocal, okay? And you guys have heard the term, oh, flip it and multiply, right? Well, this is exactly what they're talking about. So we're going to get our reciprocal, which is our flip, and now we're going to multiply. Notice that this is in black and this is in blue. Hopefully it comes out that way on the camera, whatever. But I color-coded this so that way you pay special attention, all right? So, two-thirds divided by 7/5. Two-thirds divided by 7/5 is going to be, we take our numerator, we're good to go, right? Now for this part, we're going to take our denominator on this term, we're going to use our reciprocal, right? And we're going to multiply. So we multiply by 5 over 7. Do I have reduction? Do I have reduction here? And I don't have any reduction diagonally, right? So from here, 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 7, 21. Good to go? And to be completely frank, if I could, I'd look for my division or my reduction right off. All right? Don't save it till the end. Reduce when you can early if it makes sense. But just like our example early on with the addition, you don't always reduce, right? Because we had our common denominator, so there was no point to reduce. Everybody with me on that? Okay. All right, so so if I work this one out, this is 16 over 12 divided by 8 over 5, right? So right away I'm thinking, I know I'm going to have to flip, I know I'm going to have to multiply, so on and so forth, but I like to go ahead and reduce early. Do I have some reduction? Well, absolutely, the 16 and the 12, right? So I know that this is really 4/3 divided by 8/5, right? So from here, I know that this is 4/3 times 5 over 8, right? I got my 4/3, I got my 5 over 8. Note, this 4/3 times 5 over, here we go, there's my 4, there's my 2, right? I'm going to reduce this, this is 4 times 1. Everybody with me on that? So this 4 reduces, this 4 reduces. Is everybody with me on that? They're both going to 1. So this becomes 1 times 5, which is my 5. This is 3 times my 2, which is my 6. 5, 6. So everybody with me on that? Good to go? Questions, comments, concerns? Oh my. Okay. See you next one.